Hola, soy Carmen Ramírez, soy kayakista de Aguas Bravas. Bienvenidos a un día de práctica.
What's wrong with being confident? What's wrong with being confident? It's time to get the chains out. Is your tongue tied up? 'Cause this is my ground and I'm dangerous and you can get off, but it's all about me tonight. So you say I'm complicated, that I must be out of my mind, but you've had me underrated. What's wrong with being confident? What's wrong with being